Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a quick analysis on the boom and crash market. Alright, so currently we are in crash 1000. Now this is what I do. I'll first of all try to identify the trend of the market. Alright, so here on crash 1000 right now, I can see a downtrend. Alright, and that is what I will try to identify. So using my trend line, I can see that currently we are in a downtrend. Alright, so I will try to mark that out. Then after marking it out on the daily time frame, I'll move down to the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so here's what I'm trying to do. I'm a scalper, so I'm trying to mark out the necessary support and resistance zone in order to get a quick entry. Alright, so now that I've identified the trend from the daily, I step down to the 4 hours. So here on the 4 hours, I can see the price is kind of still far from my trend line. Alright, so I'll still move down to the 1 hour time frame. So here on the 1 hour time frame, I'll still try to find my trend line. I'll draw another trend line that is close to price. Right, so this one right here is kind of still far. Right, so I'll move down to the 30-minute time frame again. So here on the 30-minute time frame, I'll still draw another trend line again. Yeah, so if you are drawing your trend line, make sure you are using the wicks of the candlestick, right, the tips of the candlestick. I can see that price is currently trying to reverse. Right, the downtrend is now kind of changing into an uptrend here on the 30-minute time frame. Alright, so after drawing my trend line now, here's what I will do. I will try to mark out some support and resistance zone in order to have a better understanding of what the market is doing. So after marking your support and resistance zone, putting your support and resistance line, you try to check to confirm if it's a strong support and resistance zone. Check if it has been tested multiple times in the past. So you can see the reaction on it here. This shows that this is a strong support and resistance zone. You can see the bounce up, breakthrough, retest, bounce up, retest. You can see the way price was reacting to it. Break, retest. So guys, this shows that this is a strong support and resistance zone based on the reaction I'm seeing here. Right, so after identifying that, I'll go back to the current area market is. So now I know what the market is trying to do. Right, so here is what is happening here. Price is it will kind of bounce here, retest this our support and our trend line here, and then go up to this next trend line. Alright, so now it's like the buyers are trying to take over the market. Alright, so after identifying this, I will move to the 15-minute time frame. Like I said, I'm a scalper, so I need quick entry. 15-minute time frame. So here on the 15-minute time frame, I will try to mark out the zone. Right, this thing is not just a line. Right, so I will try to mark out the support and resistance zone here. So marking out the support and resistance zone, now I have a better understanding of what is going on right now in the market. Right, So this is what's happening. You can see the price is currently in a support and resistance zone, right? Kind of struggling in this area right now, and here's what I believe to happen. It's either price will like bounce down, come down to this area of our area of trend line. Alright, so in this area of trend line again, I can still spot another support, a minor support and resistance zone here. Alright, if you know what I'm talking about, there's a minor support and resistance zone if you are to see it that way. And then that area now is maybe to bounce price like this, then come back retest, and then to bounce it to our next support, our next trend line, which is above here. So here on the trend line again, I can still spot some support and resistance zone here again. If you know what I mean, if you are to use it based on support and resistance zone, there is still another support and resistance zone above there. So guys, as you can see right here, before our trend line above there's a support and resistance zone here that price will need to break above before getting to the trend line. Alright, so this is the area we are supposed to watch out for right now. You can see the way price is reacting to this area, break below it, retest, and then went down to this support and resistance zone below there. Alright, so that is also another area we are supposed to look out for if you are to take any entry. So now this is what I'm expecting to happen in this market right now. Price is to go either break above this retest and then continue to this area, right? Or it will go up, retest this, then there is a minor support and resistance zone here. It will break below it, retest, and then the downtrend is to continue. Alright, so these are the two ways the price movement is to happen. Alright, this is my prediction of the market right now. It's either breaking this retest and then continue to the upside, or it will come down, retest here, and then continue to the downside. So you seeing this now, I hope you have a little understanding of what the market is currently doing. Alright, and now you have an idea of how you take your entries in order to get a profitable outcome. Okay, so this will be all regarding this video. Alright, this is a quick one. I just said I should share this one with you guys quickly. Alright, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Right, Silver out.